Hello guys, what's up? If you guys are not in foldable touch, so Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will be the next big thing for you. Since Samsung has decided to not launch the Galaxy Note 21 this year. However, that does not mean the Note is cancelled. It launched the next year in the form of Galaxy Note 22. We are here the quite a lot about the Galaxy S22 Ultra, even though the handset will is over 5 months away at this point. Today we have some more info about the handset, the potential good news as well as but the first thing, let's talk about the model number of three of you who care about this stuff. Here are the model, the number of S22 lineup, which indicates that there will be the 3 S22 device are regular plus and the ultra variant. Anyway, the Galaxy S22 Ultra was expect features the under display camera technology, but Samsung decided to scrap the idea and this point you should know why the Galaxy Z Fold will be the first Samsung phone to feature this technology. But the multiple reports are saying that the selfie quality is not great. There are glaring issue on the display around the area where the front camera lies now. Ice Universe is shedding more light on this. He says when you see the selfie quality from these under display camera phones that are being released in the second half of year, including the Z Fold 3 of you realize this technology is not ready yet and why. Samsung has decided not to use it. They are the main flagships. The Galaxy S22 lineup. He even shared some technical details that the pixel density of the display where the camera lies on the only reach up 400 ppl, which weighs the less than 515 ppl that the Samsung S21 Ultra has.